Hello, my name is Kedar Keknis. I am from Badlapur and I am from Bharat College. So when I was in last year, the IT Vedant Education has came in my college for their course teaching, and they told us that they are teaching data science and everything courses in their classes, and they are also providing 100% job assurity. So that time I was not that much into data science, but after my graduation, I started looking for jobs. But then I realized that getting a job into IT field is not that easy job. So what I did was I contacted Altivedan, and I asked them that is they have any vacancies for students. So I uh, I started. Then they also guided me through all the process and rules that I have to follow for the job eligibility and all. So they told me all, and then I started my course in October. My course was for data science, and the teaching staff here is very good also. Their technical knowledge is fluent in their field, and relationship managers are also good in their job. So that's why I was happy with their friendliness. And after my two models, in February, I started looking for jobs, and IT Vedant uh, provided with me the interviews with the companies. So they activate and give me three interviews. Two interviews I have not performed well, but in my last interview, uh, I performed very well in that. The company was the Axivation, and there I got selected as a AI AI developer intern. So that I'll definitely suggest this IT for my friends, because they are helping students to get placed.